Today our topic is understand the role of leader and manager. A leader inspires vision, innovation, and motivation, guiding people toward a shared goal. A manager ensures efficiency, organization, and execution, focusing on processes and systems. While leaders drive change and empower teams, managers maintain stability and structure. Both roles are crucial for success, working together to achieve results effectively. Leadership and management are often used interchangeably, but they serve distinct purposes in an organization. While a manager focuses on processes, efficiency, and organization, a leader inspires, motivates, and drives vision. Mastering both skills can significantly impact career growth and business success. Key difference of leaders and managers. While leaders and managers both play crucial roles in organizations, their focus, approach, and impact are quite different. Here are the key distinctions. Now we will discuss the brief of key differences. Number 1. Vision versus execution. A leader's focus on setting a vision, inspiring innovation, and driving long-term goals. Managers ensure day-to-day operations run smoothly, focusing on efficiency and execution. Number 2. People versus processes. Leaders prioritize empowering, motivating, and developing people. Managers concentrate on processes, structures, and task completion. Number 3. Influence versus authority. Leaders influence others through inspiration, trust, and emotional intelligence. Managers rely on formal authority and organizational hierarchy to guide teams. Number 4. Innovation versus organization. Leaders encourage creativity, risk-taking, and change. Managers maintain stability, efficiency, and order. Number 5. Long-term versus short-term focus. Leaders think about the big picture, growth, impact, and future success. Managers work towards meeting deadlines, goals, and immediate performance targets. Number 6. Emotional versus analytical approach. Leaders use emotional intelligence to connect and build relationships. Managers use analytical thinking to solve problems and optimize workflows. And number 7. Coaching versus directing. Leaders act as mentors and coaches, helping people unlock their potential. Managers provide clear direction and oversight to ensure tasks are completed correctly. The role of a leader. A leader is someone who empowers their team, sets a vision, and motivates people to achieve shared goals. Leadership is about influence, trust, and inspiration rather than control. Leaders foster innovation by encouraging new ideas, guiding employees toward growth, and creating an environment where people feel valued. Key traits of a leader are: Number 1. Visionary thinking. Leaders see beyond immediate challenges and focus on long-term goals. Number 2. Motivation and inspiration. They uplift their teams, creating enthusiasm for shared objectives. Number 3. Empowerment. They trust employees and delegate responsibilities, allowing them to take ownership. Number 4. Adaptability. Leaders navigate uncertainty and adjust strategies to remain agile. And number 5. Communication skills. They articulate ideas clearly, fostering collaboration and teamwork. Now we will understand the role of manager. Managers are responsible for executing plans efficiently, ensuring organizational goals are met. Their role revolves around structure, coordination, and operational success. Unlike leaders who focus on vision, managers ensure productivity and organization are maintained. Key traits of a manager are: Number 1. Organizational efficiency. Managers streamline workflows and ensure timely task execution. Number 2. Operational control. They monitor budgets, resources, and productivity. Number 3. Problem solving. Managers address challenges efficiently to maintain smooth operations. Number 4. Performance tracking. They set KPIs and measure success based on quantifiable results. And number 5. Process optimization. Managers refine strategies to enhance team productivity and efficiency. Where leadership and management overlap. While leadership and management have distinct roles, they intersect in several key areas. A great leader can be an effective manager, and vice versa. Balancing both skills is crucial for career success. Common areas of overlap where leadership and management overlaps. Number 1. Decision-making. Both leaders and managers make critical choices for the business. Number 2. Communication. Clarity in conveying objectives is essential for team collaboration. Number 3. Problem-solving. Leaders and managers identify challenges and work toward solutions. Number 4. Strategic execution. Leaders set the vision and managers ensure its execution effectively. And number 5. Adaptability. Both roles require flexibility to navigate industry changes and business challenges. Conclusion. Leadership and management are complementary forces that shape businesses and industries. Whether leading a team toward innovation or managing processes for success, striking a balance between leadership and management is key to professional excellence. Want to be a great leader and manager? Invest in communication skills, strategic thinking, and adaptability to master both roles. Feedback. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.